aka Nelson, the ghost town out there. And we're gonna take a trip to Hoover Dam. So that drive looks like it takes about an hour. Okay, an hour from here. So first we got to get out from this offshoot road here. A little baby one. Oh, it really works. It has all the pumps and everything there. I want one.
Tiffin.
What's Tiffin?
There's a Tiffin motorhome.
Oh, is there?
There.
All these formation things up here. Wow, these rocks look so cool. We've gone to ghost towns 2 days in a row. Calico yesterday and Tehedecup today. It's pretty cool. We're on a camping road trip on our teardrop trailer right now. You can see the teardrop back there. So watch the episodes. All the fun we've been having camping. Right now we're at my sister's in the driveway camping, and I had a nice shower there today. It's the federal land.
Oh, yeah.
Playing on the federal land.
We're going out camping, all of us, for a week.
The desert pulls all the moisture out of my skin. It's crazy. She's farting back there.
I know, I keep I thought I heard her. Relaxed.
See all the houses over there to the right. The left is solar fields.
In a quarter of a mile, right turn at the end of the road onto US 95.
There's a dam, Hoover Dam Lake Mead sign. I need some of my homemade potato salad too. I'm getting hungry. We had breakfast early today. We haven't eaten anything since, huh?
No, I had a big breakfast.
You can go ATV all out
In
there.
half of a mile, keep right onto US 93 South.
Looks like we're getting on that next. 93 South.
Keep right onto US 93 South.
sister lives in this general area, and she's never been to any of these places, and she was originally going to come, but she works a lot, flies out of state a lot, so she had catching up to do, unfortunately.
This is beyond our control. And we look forward to seeing you at Hoover Dam.
Okay, he said that the self...
Welcome to the Hoover Dam Information Line. Currently, we are offering 2 types of paid admission tickets. Next, the tour includes a
This is
stop
Boulder
in the
City.
Nevada powerhouse, where you will see 8 of our commercial generators.
Love it.
Power plant tour tickets are sold until 4 p.m. In addition to the power plant tour, we also offer a guided dam tour. This tour begins with the power plant tour, but also allows you to walk through the historic tour tunnels and ride the original elevator to the top of the dam. Last dam tour tickets are sold at 3:15 p.m. can only be purchased on site. These tours are limited in size, but tickets can sell out well in advance. Wait times can also vary based on the volume of visitors, so please check the ticketing for available times.
I want to hear
Our
the...
self-guided exhibits tour is currently unavailable due to a renovation project. Construction is planned for completion December of 2024. Please note, all tours are subject to cancellation due to circumstances beyond our control. No food or drinks allowed in the visitor center except for bottled water. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at Hoover Dam.
Alright, what remains to be seen. We weren't going to do the guided tours. I just basically want to walk over the bridge thing and walk over the dam and have a foot in each state and look at it. So hopefully we can do those things. Minimum. Oh yeah, remember that this is the Monster Museum. Adam went there. We're not into those. We're not into movies so much. Like, we watch movies, but we're not obsessed. There's the Elks Lodge. We used to be members of the Moose, and when we would go on vacation, we would try to visit the Moose Lodges. What's this? A pottery. When we came last, we only went to that old part of town we never even saw. We went through here, we never even saw like the modern stuff really. It looks like you're going like this, but...
It does. Like, there's my arrows down here. It has
Well, the only thing you can do now is the lane you're in, and it's going to tell you if you mess up. We're a little thrown off on where we're supposed to be, so we're going to just go towards the downtown, the historic downtown. Super cute down here. And we'll see what the directions say. Elm Street, that's funny.
Next right, and then right turn.
Yep, wanted me to turn back there.
Okay. Okay, we turned around, and now we're going on 93 for a while, it looks like, to get out there. There's the lake. It's really a man-made reservoir. Sometimes they get to be called lakes, sometimes they don't. Oh my gosh, that's so much like the Napa Clock Tower. It's so cool, guys. If you know, you know. Oh, St. Jude's Ranch for children. Oh, and they have the little bungalows for the families, so when their kids are going through treatment and stuff, they have places to live. Big playground. 2 thumbs up on that. We used to donate to St. Jude's many years ago. Okay, we have some nice houses here in Boulder City. Those are condos. I think these are houses. Nevada Welcome Center. Okay, that's that way. We're not doing that today. There you can see how low the lake is. It still looks low. Look at Ram Crossing sign.
Huh.
Cool. We don't have those in our neighborhood, in our area. What is that? That's a house? My goodness gracious, there's some money over there. Alright. There's gotta be a golf course or a country club around here somewhere. This area looks pretty new too. That reminds me of where we were to get to the Price Canyon Ranch. We had to go back behind. That neighborhood's kind of like that. Lake Mead Recreational Area. National Park. All right. And we're at another national park. We can check it off the list.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I